Welcome to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. Hello guys, welcome to another episode of my tutorial. And before I begin the tutorial, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Please subscribe, I'm begging. Please subscribe. Okay, to begin the tutorial, how to upload your music to Boomplay. For uploading music to Boomplay, there's no any direct option for you to upload music to Boomplay through Boomplay itself. There's other services you can use to upload your music to Boomplay, because Boomplay is a library of music which is owned by many artists, and it is a place where you have boom bodies, influencers and musicians that are verified, like I am also verified there. So Boomplay is is a place that it has many music collections. So for you to upload music there, you have to do it through many services. We have services like Boom Distro. We have services like Boom Distro. You can upload your music through Boom Distro. Eh? You can also upload your music through TuneCore. I will recommend TuneCore because TuneCore is a service that is legit, and TuneCore uploads your music directly to Boomplay and other. So through TuneCore, you can upload your music to many services apart from Boomplay. You can upload it to iTunes, Spotify, Amazon Music, Google Play, YouTube, Xbox Music, and so on through TuneCore. And it's the best service to upload your music to Boomplay, or you can either use Boom Distro, which is a music service program that has partnered with Boomplay to get artists' music into Boomplay directly. Once you are in Once you're in TuneCore, there are many other things that are valuable. Then you can go through it. You can earn money through TuneCore when your music is being played on Boomplay. Just like that. It has many things.